Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make burger patty at home. Select 80/20 ground beef and keep it chilled while shaping to preserve texture. Handle the meat gently and avoid packing it too tight to keep juices inside. Portion patties evenly using a scale or scoop for uniform cooking. Press a small thumbprint in the center so patties stay flat as they cook on the grill or pan. For seasoning, keep things simple and effective with kosher salt and fresh black pepper applied right before cooking to avoid drawing out moisture. If you want extras, sprinkle minced onion or garlic lightly so the beef flavor still shines. Do not overwork the meat with binders. Too much handling makes tough patties. Let seasoned patties rest briefly at room temperature while you heat your pan or grill for even cooking. Heat a heavy pan or grill until hot, then sear patties to build a caramelized crust that locks in juices. Flip just once when a good brown crust forms to keep the interior tender and moist. For accuracy, use an instant-read thermometer and aim for your preferred doneness rather than guessing by time. Let cooked patties rest briefly so juices redistribute, then assemble on toasted buns with your favorite toppings and sauces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.